Ever walked under a streetlight at night and heard that weird buzzing sound? No, it's not bugs or ghosts. That hum actually comes from the electric current inside the light. But before we dive in, if you sleep with open lights at night and find this puppy cute, please like and subscribe. Okay, back to our story. Older fluorescent and sodium vapor lamps use a device called a ballast, which regulates electricity. But when it wears out, it starts vibrating, creating that soft buzz noise. The higher the voltage, the louder the hum. Newer LED streetlights don't usually buzz. So if you still hear it, you're walking under a piece of old tech still fighting to shine.